I've got a lot of people who've been asking me to update them on how the beach looks in Cancun, how the water looks, how the seaweed situation is. And that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to really show you guys the current situation of the water and the seaweed in Cancun. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You can see, I don't know how much of this they're cleaning up to get rid of it, but there's not much on the beach here. I mean, a little bit of seaweed here and there, not too much of a surprise, but if you look at the water, you can see it's a beautiful color and not much seaweed in there actually. I mean, not too much seaweed could be washing ashore if there's none really in the water, right? It's not murky, it's clear. I mean, that is Windex water clear. Beautiful blue. Now, as far as how warm the water is, as you can see, splashing around here. And it is perfect. You couldn't ask for more perfect water. It's not hot, but in a way it is kind of warm. It's definitely warm. Like I said, it's perfect. There's not like a cold feeling about it, you know. I know some of you might like cold water. This is not cold water. Like California's got cold water. And this is the Caribbean, right? So over here you have Hotel Zone, which is where Isla Mujeres is on the other side. That's where you go to swim with whale sharks. Not guaranteed to swim with whale sharks, but they'll put you in the water where they might be. Also, that way is the Gulf of Mexico. This way over here, that's the Caribbean. South over here is Riviera Maya, which is where Playa del Carmen is, in Cozumel. So, I'll just take you for a stroll. If you guys enjoy this video, please do subscribe to Island Hopper TV. That's this channel right here. My name is Jeff. Going to many destinations all around the world. Got plenty of videos for you to watch on this channel. Italy, Greece, Hawaii, Bali, Thailand. So search the channel and watch more videos just like this from other locations. And also like the video if you enjoy it. I'm going to have to go swimming here. This is unbelievably great water. Simply awesome. So anyways, I'm going to stop talking now and just enjoy the sights and sounds of Cancun for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Bueno, sí, over. No, thank you. Maybe later. ¿Cuántos dólares por parasail?
$65, señor.
Per person.
Yes.
Bien, gracias. So he said it's $65 per person, the parasail. Hard to believe that Cancun is a new area. This whole area was developed and built by the Mexican government in the 70s. Before that, it was literally just this white sand beach, no hotels, no nothing. Could you imagine coming here back then? There's still places in the world. There's still places in the world that have beautiful beaches that are untouched just like this. So, this is just one of those places that became a destination for tourists, for the hotels. And basically there's only one real road to get in here. Well, now there's two, the one that connects from Merida and then the one that goes around the coastal area to Merida. So the road that goes to Chichen Itza. And then if you go all the way down to Coba, where Tulum is, there's another road. There used to be just one road, so you could only get in one highway back in the old days. By the old days, we're talking about 1970s. Oh, here goes a parasail. Let's take a watch. Not right now. Bien, gracias. Thank you. Sí. Okay. bus that'll take you anywhere around Riviera Maya. You know, they'll take you to Tulum, or it's pretty affordable, and yeah, seems like a good way to get around. No air conditioner though. Thank you everyone for watching this episode from Cancun, and for all your support with the likes and the subscription. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Turn on the bell to get notified from around the world.